Hello team, this is a quick tutorial video on how you sync libraries that are in our Jubilee Plus SharePoint into your own PC. Now I'm demonstrating this on a PC. I'm not exactly sure how it looks on a Mac, but it looks the same on the browser screens. It's just how it appears when it arrives in your Mac. So the principle here is what we're trying to do is we are trying to get folders here that sit on SharePoint. I'm here in a browser. We'd like to have these folders sitting on our PC. So what I have here is a set of folders in Windows Explorer. You can see on my left I've got lots of folders, and I have in fact here a list of my core team documents, and I have exactly the same as we had on the screen, but I have the folders appearing on my PC. This is quite useful if you want to access the files or mess with them, because you don't actually need to go through a browser and find them. They're already here under your Jubilee Plus folders. So you can see here I have two folders already synced. I have the core team documents and research team documents. I'm going to walk you through how you get this synced back to your PC. Let's just minimize this for a moment. So let's just say, for example, I've already got this synced, but I'm going to go and do it again. Let's just say I want this document library to be synced back to my PC. The key word I've used there is sync. There is a sync button up the top here. I don't know whether you can see that. Sync button, which will allow me to sync. Now I'm just going to play with this and sync one folder. I don't need to do the whole document library. I only want one folder in this case. So wherever you're clicked, I'm going to click into Sanctity of Life. You've still got the sync icon. If I hover over it, it says sync this library to your computer. So I'm going to sync this library to my computer. It says it needs to be opened with Microsoft OneDrive, which I have installed on my PC. And I'm going to choose that, double click that. It says getting ready to sync. Actually, at this point, it's all going to work. And it tells me I'm already syncing. That this is not very helpful, but it will sync that. And after that point, what you should find is you end up with an item in your Windows Explorer or Explorer window that shows you you're syncing to those documents. Just one word of what it says on here, it shows you the status. Little cloud icon says that it's just kept a link to what's on the cloud. It's not actually downloaded the file. There are a couple of these I've actually downloaded. If I want to download them specifically, this one here, it's a cloud file. I just right click on it and say keep on this device. If I don't want a file on my device, I want to get rid of it, it's already been synced, like this one here, the Andy and Isla audio. I go and clear space and it will get rid of the file but keep the link to the cloud. That is about it. That should work. If you have any queries, let me know and tell me if it works or not, and speak to you soon.